In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a hand gauntlet on by yourself. But first, if you are choosing to use a compression sleeve, make sure this goes on first before you put on the gauntlet. This is recommended but not required, just because you're most likely going to have another person put this on because of how difficult it is to put this on when you're paralyzed on one side. So if you're choosing to use the compression sleeve, put that on first, and then after that, I'll show you how to put this gauntlet on. So now let's talk about how to get this thing on. So the first time you put it on is going to be the most difficult because we got to make sure it is properly fitted for your hand, because these cuffs are universal. They can go on the right or the left. So we may have to switch things around depending on what side it is. So I'm going to show you how to put this hand gauntlet on. So the first thing we're going to do is just open it up. And what I have you do is just put your thumb in the hole. And then we're just going to tighten this strap. And there's a hole here. So that's the first problem. And then this smaller piece should actually be up here too. So go ahead and open it back up and take it off. And we're just gonna rotate it. And now we're gonna put our thumb through the hole and put it around. So now the full width of this is on the back and there's no hole right here. And this smaller strap is over here. So the smaller strap versus the bigger strap. And that's how it's supposed to be on. So while your gauntlet is off, take a closer look at your hand. Look for redness, look for any indentations in the skin. You know, a little pressure line is normal, but if that line doesn't fade within 10 to 30 minutes, then that's definitely something worth keeping an eye on. And these gauntlets, you can wear them 24/7, you know, maybe take it off for an hour or two just for comfort. But yeah, you definitely want to wear these probably for the most part of the first month. The compression sleeve you want to take off at night, but you can leave the gauntlet on at night if you like. And it's definitely something I would recommend, again, at least for the 30 days. And that's all you need to know about how to put your gauntlet on and take it off in the wear schedule. So go ahead and use that as part of your daily routine.